Well, we have a guest house and almost no choice. This load shedding is a disaster, and had a small inverter but not enough, and we went try to go totally off the grid. And of course, price is the price, and Eskom goes up, and had to do what we had to do. It's three-phase. We've got 3 times 8 kilowatt, and we've got about 19 kilowatt on the roof, and it's been working well. And no load shedding. I must say the installation is beautifully done. Everything on this board, it's not a small installation. When there was a problem, they would immediately come, sort, or remotely. Few teething problems, but all great now. And the online thing is wow. You can see what's happening. You can set the limits and whatever. It's awesome. Everybody said, what's going to happen with the wind? It's all there. We've had winds and all standing.